Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'll show you how to open up a quick note on the iPad Keyboard Magic Folio. So if you want to make a quick note, let's say for example you're reading a book or something and you want to create a quick note of something, what you can do is just press the language button, so the change language button, and Q at the same time. And this little arrow will pop up on the right. You can click on it and you can start creating a quick note. And once you're done with that note, you can either press on the four squares to open up the Notes app. You can create a new note by pressing on the pen and paper icon, or you can just close up the quick note by pressing done. And that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps, and make sure to like and subscribe.